up, guys? Get some light on the subject, a little bit of light at least. Check this out. Motorcycle lift is put together for the most part. We still got to tighten this up, tighten up the wheels, tighten up the little hooks. Other than that, motorcycle lift is in. Of course, y'all have seen the podcast set. I know it's dark. Right now, we are getting ready to get some work done today. It is nasty, rainy. It is horrible out here. Unchoke it. Unchoke it. Let me get y'all out here. Look who decided to show up.
I don't know enough about it.
You had it choked.
Oh.
So, my little
better.
My little $500 four-wheeler. Blow some of this extra fuel out. Hey, I rear-ended it last weekend. So, if you guys seen the last video, we did Brian's Mustang. Got the RTR stuff all on it. Whoop, whoop. Today we are doing Ruby. We got two new Nitto MT550 G2s for the rear because somebody has been doing massive burnouts in his car. But that's not the big thing. The big thing is finally we're putting in the one-piece drive shaft and the Ben Calimer Stage 2 transmission. So for you guys who have a mid-year 20 up to 23, you do not have an MT82. You have a Tramic. That's why our transmissions are so much better than theirs. He has to get right. Don't go too far with it. We're going to use it to push it up.
Oh, push the box?
Yeah, just pull it out. And what we'll do is you push the box back, out, and I'll swing around the front and hook it and push it, and you just turn it. So, and we're going to get his Ben Calimer Stage 2 transmission in. And we got the quick jags, which is going to make it a heck of a lot easier. Hopefully this will roll really smooth. It's not the first time this transmission has been out in the past year. So we should be able to get it knocked out pretty quick. And then we got to mount up his two tires, slap them back on the car.
Rotate the fronts.
Yeah, we do need to go ahead and rotate the fronts while we're here. So I'm going to quit talking. We're going to find the small tripod and we're going to get this done, which we still got to wrap the Fox up too. I don't want that getting wet. So, we'll be back. Alright. So, this is what we got so far. Did I bang my head on something? The car hit me in the head. Ruby is a bitch. She's mean to me. She don't like me. She only likes him.
She don't like me, buddy. She grinds. She gets angry.
It's because you don't touch her right. We'll stop there before we get demonetized. So, here you go. Car's in the air. Front wheel's off. Did you get the starter?
Nope. I got the back section of the exhaust.
Okay. You work on exhaust. I'll work on starter. But there's a reason why we're doing this right now. Because see, nobody knows about Cliff yet, so we can't say much because we're still waiting on one piece that hopefully comes before
Pits.
Yep, Ponies in the Smokies 2025. We're all getting stoked. We're going to have us two. Brandon, Brian, which you've seen them two in the RTR video. Remy, Sam, Stace. Stacy gonna be co-piloting with me this year again. I feel bad that Papa Smurf ain't done, but when you're doing that kind of a job, man, it takes a minute. So we're gonna keep turning and burning. I'm about to get the starter out. I'll probably film a little bit of this. Probably not a lot. But this is all Pitt's preparation. Cliff is under the knife right now. He'll be just like this here in probably a couple weeks. We got major problems with him. He's sick. Not sick there. Not sick back there or underneath there, but he's sick somewhere. We may have shown a glimpse of it in a couple videos ago. So, one other thing, guys, it feels good to be back. My God, does it feel good to be back?
Feels good, yeah.
So,
I don't feel too good having the car up in the air like this, because that's a lot of money, but...
Yeah, that was a lot of money. So, we're going to keep turning and burning. I want to try to get this thing out and that one prepped and go in within an hour and a half. It's not that hard. About the hardest thing is his long tubes. Trying to get them out of the way. And the starter. The starter was a pain in the butt. So, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. So you got the whole exhaust ready to go?
No, I got to get up here at the long tubes.
Oh, well, there's a creeper over here. You get the creeper and go underneath.
You got a lot?
Yeah, that's somewhere around here.
Up there.
That one's dead. Get the long drop cord one over there. Alright. I'll set y'all up in a minute. We'll see you in a sec. Alright, quick run. Parts store. Guys, this is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. This right here. AutoZone, $3. Advance. Or, excuse me, O'Reilly's, $13.99. Didn't even check Advance. Dude, what do you got?
I brought snacks.
We got chili upstairs if you want chili. Homemade. So, old transmission is out. Hunter is starting his short throw. Honey. Hey, honey. Honey and Tony. I think it's Tony's first time on the channel, ain't it?
It is.
Holy shit. Anyway.
Listen, guys, don't judge. We are red Loctiting everything.
Well, it probably needed to be. Honestly, I don't think that was messed up as much as we thought it was now.
This one right here?
That one was close.
She was finger tight. Guess what? She got Loctited and torqued to about 300 foot-pounds.
Well, who was the one that put it on?
Remy?
You and Remy. Anyway, somebody's got oatmeal cream pies, and I'm about to steal one.
I also got.
You know, if they would have been chewy, you would have had me.
I like
The crunch. Alright, guys, we're gonna keep moving. I'm not gonna show this. Us putting this back in. Like I said, we still got tires to go. Just, I guess, a quick little video. So, we'll be back. Alright, cuz, what do you think?
Hey!
What do you think?
I think I'm ready to call her quits. See, everything's put up. Everything's put back together.
Here.
You don't have it.
Take some video down there.
Take some video.
Yeah, it's on. Be careful with it.
On. As you can see, oh god, dude, Jay, you're gonna hate this video. As you can see, up there, you got the Calimer built trans, stage 2. Man, back there you can see the one piece going all the way back there. You know, you gotta have the Corsa Extremes. Best exhaust. Got the long tubes. Of course, you got the high flow cats, you know.
I will 100% disagree with Corsa Extremes. even though you've got them too.
I do.
Y'all some noisy ass people though.
We are. I also have to course headers.
So,
Jay?
what?
Hey, I don't know where your 13's at.
I don't have full exhaust.
Never mind, Jay. I'm good. I need mental health.
Whew. I just got dizzy.
That already.
Oh,
I don't know where your 13's at.
we got a pretty boy in the house today.
Damn right.
What up, pretty boy?
Finally.
After everything's done,
Yeah, it's about fucking time to show up.
so we'll be back. All right, guys. I was gonna end the video. I didn't catch any footage. I don't think. Well, we showed you the transmission in. We didn't show you like moving out of here because obviously you can pretty much tell Papa Smurf is back in the shop. Quick Jacks, this mess, this ever-loving mess. Here's the old transmission, the old MT82, trash, drive shaft. We put a one-piece in. The four-wheeler. So, God, I need to wash this thing so bad. But, sorry about it taking so long to get videos out. I've been having some issues with editing software. And not even the software. We've done something to the camera, trying to get ready for the podcast. We shot a podcast. It didn't work. I've got footage of it. But the audio file was messed up, so couldn't use it. Matter of fact, the computer didn't even save it. That's what really stinks. A lot of stuff coming. I think I'm just going to one-man it on the podcast. I'm just going to get it done. Something I've been wanting to do, and I just want to get out there in a different format, and just do the thing, you know? I'm tired of waiting. So, you'll probably get a lot of me talking on the podcast. And I think it'd be more formal. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can express how I feel about stuff that's going on in the industry. But we do have some crazy stuff coming with Cliff. It's not real crazy. Hopefully it's not another fail video like the CF Moto. Hopefully I can nail this, but you know, we got to show y'all us putting this stuff to work, because it's time to rotate the tires on Cliff. And you boys out there with the MT555 G2s that are on a staggered fitment like me and Hunter, you would know real quick that rotating tires means dismounting the tires off the wheels, flipping them, airing them back up, rebalancing them, and then going from there. Also, Papa Smurf is right here. After Ponies in the Smokies, we are getting back on it. Me and Stace knocking this thing out. We'll get the K-member out, get it set, get all this cleaned up underneath in the engine bay. Get it shaved, get the panels for there and over here as well. That one there. Get a radiator core support, because we bit the crap out of it when we took the 4-cylinder out. We've got the K-member for the modular V8s. Got to figure out that rack. And we got to replace this rocker panel up underneath here. And we got to figure out wiring too. And dash, because I want to change the dash up. Something tells me, man, to run an SM95 dash in this car. Something just tells me to do it. I don't want to, but at the same time I do. I mean, it'll bolt right up. It's easy. Since the Fox is, all the SM95 new edge SM95s, they all run on the Fox chassis. This particular Fox chassis. So, it would be an easy switch. But at the same time, I would love to do the door cards on the door as well. That way it kind of throws two generations of Mustang together since it's on the same chassis. But we'll see. We'll go and we'll think about it some more. I may stay true. Just find a black dash and throw it in there. But I guess for now, I'm getting out of here, guys. Stay tuned for the podcast. I promise you they're coming. They'll be on Apple Music, Spotify. You'll be able to find me there here soon. Aftermath Garage. As normal. So I guess until then, man. Until we get to do another regular video out here in the shop. We love you. I've missed you guys. Missed the hell out of you. We'll see you next time. And remember, dream big, baby. Dream big.